Данное сообщение, материал, создано или распространено иностранным средством массовой информации, выполняющим функции иностранного агента, или российским юридическим лицом, выполняющим функции иностранного агента.
I'm Nina Nastasia. I'm a singer-songwriter. Alexander Cheparukin was the first person to invite me to play shows in Russia, and they've always been fantastic for me, a great experience. And Sasha now is a very dear friend. He's been a dear friend for years. And he's also asked me to submit a song for Medusa's Music Marathon, which I'm very, very grateful to be asked to do, because I think Medusa is a very important news outlet. We should all be able to have information that's uncensored. So I hope they keep going. The song is Stormy Weather. It happens to be Sasha's favorite song, so I'm playing it. Thank you, Sasha. Thank you, Medusa. She comes running and we're all on fire. She says so hysterically, I'm in the shower. She says save the water. I can be on best behavior. I'm not afraid of stormy weather. Sunday afternoon we'll drive 4 hours after church with Father Paul. She photographs me in a bed of flowers. I can be on best behavior. I'm not afraid of stormy weather. She looks around for me. Don't you know I'm always gonna be here? She doesn't wanna leave. I'm afraid of stormy weather. There's nothing I can do. There's nothing she won't do. She lies on her back negotiating. She looks like disaster. There's no one to help her. No machine can keep her. I can be on best behavior. I'm not afraid of stormy weather. She looks around for me. Don't you know I'm always